Today, you are going to build a high-level Shopify dropshipping store from scratch, even if you are a newbie or have zero experience. By the end of this video tutorial, you will have your Shopify store set up with products and all. Let's get started. Find product for Shopify dropshipping. Before selling, make sure to target a perfect niche that could give you a profit of hundreds or thousands of dollars in a year. Yes, I'm not kidding. You can earn huge profits by just finding a perfect niche. Finding a niche was never that easy. I made this process extremely simple for you. Open Chrome browser and visit Chrome Web Store. Search for Facebook Pixel Helper and install it. Now go to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you are in the newsfeed, scroll down and look for sponsored post. Then click on the Shop Now button of every sponsored post that you found. Then click Add to Cart. Once you are in the cart page, click Checkout. Now go to Facebook Pixel Chrome extension and there you see an option called Initiate Checkout. Click on it and copy the content ID. Paste it into this code which you will get in the video description. Now copy this updated code and go to the checkout page. Right click on the page and click on Inspect and go to Console. Paste the code and hit Enter. You will see an undefined section. Now again visit the Facebook Pixel Helper extension and now you will see a checkbox next to the purchase, indicating you have successfully completed the purchase. Repeat this step on every sponsored post for half an hour and reload the Facebook page again and again. By doing this, Facebook algorithm understands you are a shopping lover and they will suggest more and more ads. Once you have repeated the process for more than half an hour, it's time to look for a product that is getting sales. A product advertisement that is getting millions of views and has thousands of comments and reactions, there is no doubt that it's making good money. Once you found a product that is getting sales, set the product to your Facebook collection. Find 15 to 20 products and save them to your Facebook collection. Finally, you have successfully made a list of products that are popular and people are interested in buying those products. Now go to Aliexpress.com and search for your product keyword. sort the list by orders, select the product that matches with the Facebook ad. Now open a new tab and search for Aliexpress Dropshipping Center. Get quick access with your Google account in just a few clicks. Once you are in, click on Product Analysis. Copy the AliExpress product URL and paste it here. Click on Analyze. After that, you will be able to see the daily sales report here. Make sure the product has 40 to 60 sales on average. As you can see, the daily sales of this product is quite stable. Repeat the steps for every product and make a list. Finally, pick one of them that performs best. In this video, I am going to choose Flying Fairy Doll for one product dropshipping store. Choose catchy store name. Coming up with catchy, meaningful ideas can be challenging, and it often feels like all the good names are already taken. So if you are having trouble coming up with the perfect business name, it's normal. In this step, I'll show you how to choose a store name using Shopify's business name generator. Shopify's business name generator helps you come up with potential business names in 10 seconds or less. Let's get started. Simply enter a keyword. In my case, I entered Wise Fairy Doll. Then click Generate Names. Then browse hundreds of auto-generated name ideas for your dropshipping store. You can browse and choose one you like. For my store, I have chosen Wise Fairy Doll as my store name from Shopify's business name generator. Make a store logo with Canva. We have successfully found our products and store name. Now it's time to make a logo for our store using Canva. The link of the Canva website is in the video description. Once you are on the website, click on Try Canva for free. You can sign up with your Facebook, Google, or any other email account. In this video, I am going to use my Gmail account to log into my account. To do so, simply click on Sign up with Google. Choose your email ID. If you have a card or PayPal account, you can try Canva Pro for free. As we don't, click on Skip Canva Pro for now and follow the steps. Once you are in the Canva search bar, search for the logo template and select it. Click on Text and choose a font. Edit the text into the store name. choose the text color to your brand color. Once you are done, download as PNG. Crop it in a Paint app and remove the background online. Now again, go to Canva and change the background color to brand color and change the text color accordingly. Download and crop your PNG like before. So now you have your store logo ready. Sign up for the free Shopify 14-day trial. Registration of an account on Shopify is free. All you need is an email address to confirm your account with, and you can sign on with them. No credit card or other payment method form is needed. I'll have a link to how you can get Shopify in the video description below. Please note that the video description does contain affiliate links. Here at Invest Time Grow Online, all of our YouTube videos are free and affiliate links help us keep our videos free. Visit Shopify and start the 14-day trial. Click the Start Your Free Trial button and fill out the information. When you start your trial, you will be prompted to enter a store name which will become your default URL. That is your storename.myshopify.com. Fill out the survey. To be honest, you can select anything here because it's not important. Finally, fill out your personal details, then click Enter Store. Once you have entered your details, you will be taken to your store's backend. The URL for your Shopify backend follows this format: your store name.myshopify.com/admin. Shopify will send you an email with your store URL, so be sure to bookmark that page for easy access. Optimize your store settings. Start by clicking the Settings button at the bottom left of your dashboard. Then go to General Settings. Here you can edit your store name, email, store address, and more. If you change your store name after signing up, update it now. The account email is the email Shopify will contact you through. Customers won't see this email. The customer email is the email customers will contact you through. I recommend creating a support@yourwebsite.com email address for the customer email. Scroll down, comes to standard and formats. Change your unit system to imperial system, so the default weight unit changes to pound LB. Go down, change your store currency format to US dollar. Save the changes. Setting up payment gateways and payouts. It's simple to set up payments within your Shopify dashboard under payment providers. To set up payments, click on the settings button on the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Next, select payment providers. Shopify offers a vast range of options including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and Amazon Pay. Depending on which option you choose, you will receive instructions during setup. For now, I will show you how to set up Shopify Payments. In the payment provider settings, click the Complete Account Setup button to configure your payment gateway so customers can use credit cards to purchase. Fill out everything on this page. It is super important that everything here is accurate, as this is a legal requirement for all sellers. For the product details box, write retailer of your product category here. For example, retailer of toys. And that's it. Seriously, you are good to go. Next, statement descriptor is what your customers will see on their billing statement. Make this your store or company name. Fill out the remaining information and click Complete Account Setup. PayPal should be set up automatically by Shopify. You can see my PayPal account is connected with my Shopify store. If it is not turned on by default, I'm gonna show you how you can activate PayPal Express checkout. First of all, I'm deactivating my PayPal Express checkout, which was automatically set up by Shopify. Select PayPal method. Click Activate PayPal Express Checkout button. Once you have entered your email address and password, click Next. Fill out the business details and click on Agree and Create Account. Lastly, submit your personal details and submit it. Now go back to your Shopify account and you can see your PayPal account has been connected. This PayPal instruction is for those who could not use Shopify payments. That's it. You have successfully added the payment methods. Checkout settings. Under your checkout settings, switch customer accounts to optional, and customers can create an account but aren't required to. Next to form options, check require first and last name. Select shipping address phone number to required. Finally, email marketing. I recommend checking pre-select the sign up option to market to more of your customers. You can build your email list as you build your customer list by letting customers sign up during checkout. When you are done, click Save. Add free shipping option. Online buyers love free shipping. Of course, the shipping isn't actually free. Instead, you just slightly increase the product price so it has free shipping, but cost a little bit more. For example, an item may originally cost $9.95 plus $1.50 in shipping cost. If we use the free shipping method, though, we'd simply add together both the item and its shipping cost together, so that it would cost $11.45, making it seem to the customer as though shipping is free. Free shipping is a powerful sales page, and the reason why it is so powerful is because of the very first word, free. Majority of people hate shipping cost. They are seen as one of those hidden costs that always manages to slide its way in during checkout. Then suddenly, your price increases by X amount. I recommend offering free shipping. This can increase your conversion. To add a free shipping option, go at the bottom left, click the Settings option. In the Settings option, click Shipping and Delivery. You will see two options. One is shipping from your address and another one is worldwide shipping. You have to delete both options. Just click on the three dots next to each zone and click Delete. After deleting both options, click Create Shipping Zone. Write a zone name whatever you want. It actually does not matter. Come down and write the name of the country on the search bar and click tick on the countries you want to add. If you are just starting out, I recommend only selecting the US as your primary country. This is because the majority of sales you will make are likely to be from the US. After selecting your countries, click on Done. Come down and click the Add Rate option. Write free shipping and set the price to 0, which means free. Scroll down and click Save. That's it. You have successfully set up the free shipping option. Install Debutify theme. Debutify is one of the highest converting free Shopify themes. To install this theme, visit the link in the video description. Click on Free Download now. Enter your name, email address, and follow the steps. then add to theme library. Finally, you have successfully installed the Debutify free theme. If you want, you can upgrade to Debutify premium theme anytime. Now go to themes under online store, click publish to publish the theme to your Shopify store. Click on customize. Then hero and upload the logo in the default and mobile section. Adjust custom logo width according to your preferences. You can also check the mobile view of your store by clicking the option on the top. When you are done, don't forget to save it. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the free Debutify theme and added your logo. Make your store semi-automated using Oberlo. Once you install the Debutify theme and added the logo, you will be brought to your store dashboard. There are a number of things you can do at this point. You can choose to design your store, set up your domain, or add products among other things. My advice: begin by adding products to your store. When it's time to pick themes and templates, you won't have to imagine what your store would look like with products in it, because you already took that time to add items to your shop. The first thing you will need to do is head over to Shopify apps. Then select Visit the Shopify App Store. Once you are there, do a search for Oberlo. Oberlo is a dropshipping platform that will allow you to easily search for and add dropshipping products to your store. It will also automatically place your orders with the chosen vendors whenever a customer orders from your store, saving you a ton of time and effort. Once you have done the installation, you can explore the products on it. However, the job is not done yet. Now you need to go to the setting to update Oberlo settings to make your store semi-automated. On Oberlo page, go to the bottom of the left sidebar, and you will find settings option. Click the settings option. Set your default weight unit to pound (lb) if it was in kg or grams. lb is the standard unit for weight worldwide. Go down in the Notify Customer About Shipped Orders section and tick Notify My Customer so that customers get a notification once the order is fulfilled. Scroll down and reach to Find Auto Update. This is very important. It will notify you about every import alteration in your store that you need to know. Tick Notify Me and change the setting to Set Quantity to 0 when product or variant is no longer available. You will set the price by comparing it with the cost, so change the setting to Do Nothing and tick Notify Me when the cost changes. For inventory changes, select Update Automatically. Lastly, click Save Settings. Back inside your dashboard, click Suppliers. Set your default shipping method to e-packet and insert your phone number. If you do not know what e-packet shipment is, here is a brief definition. E-packet is an affordable shipping strategy for dropshipping items from China to countries like the US, the UK and Canada. Rather than wait months for a package to arrive from China, your customers will only have to wait up to 2 weeks or less for a cost of only a few dollars. Here is the list of the countries where e-packet shipping is available. After doing these steps, click Save Setting on the top right. You have made your store semi-automated with Oberlo. Now install the Oberlo Chrome extension. Besides the app, you'll also need Oberlo's Chrome extension to import products you want to sell directly from Aliexpress to the Oberlo app. Go to the Google Chrome web store and type Oberlo in the search bar. Next to Oberlo, click the Add to Chrome button. Then click Add Extension when the pop-up box appears. Install Alisave Chrome extension. Alisave is an extension that helps us download all Aliexpress product images in just one click. Now go to Chrome Web Store and search for Alisave download. Now add the extension to Chrome. Once the installation has completed, open a new tab and visit aliexpress.com. Type the product name into the search bar and hit Enter. Sort the list by orders. my case, though the product has 207,093 times sold, the image quality of the product is poor and it also has watermarks. That's why I'm going to open the same products from different suppliers in new tabs. Once you found the product page that has high quality images, then open the Alisave extension and save the images. After downloading all the images, open the folder and delete all the images that are the same. Once you have filtered the high quality images, it's time to move into the next step. Add Aliexpress products to your store with Oberlo. On Aliexpress, type the name of the product you want to add to your store into the search bar. Make sure you sort your search by clicking orders to ensure you are only looking for the top selling items. Aim to sell products from Oberlo that provide e-packet shipping if your supply is from China. Once you have found an item you want to sell, click on the Oberlo icon in the top right of the browser and click Add to Import List. After importing your item, click Open Import List. From there, you can customize descriptions, categories, and other details. The long titles here are directly pulled from Aliexpress, but you are better off creating your own clear, concise, and catchy title. Delete the existing title and create your own. Next, delete the product description and create your own. But don't just pick any old description. You want to create a description that is SEO optimized, compelling, and highlights the benefits of your product. It is better to write a description of about 150 to 300 words so the keyword density can increase in the content. I recommend talking about the benefits of your product first, the features second. Now go to variants. Your price is the price customers will pay. For your compare at price, set it at something a little higher than your original price. It will be shown crossed out next to your actual price to use price anchoring, a conversion optimization strategy. If the images from Aliexpress are high quality, select the images that you want to show in your store. If not, deselect all the images and we will upload high quality pictures from our Shopify editor. Then click Import to Store. Now we will complete the final editing on Shopify. Select the description and set the alignment to left. Now scroll down to the variant section. Make sure you match the images with the variant's name. In my case, I am uploading the blue image of the fairy doll in the blue with box section. Repeat the process for other variants. If you don't want to show a variant, select the variant, click on More Action and select Delete Variants. After that, upload the high quality images in the media section. When you are satisfied that things are as you want, hit save. Now let's have a look at the product page at our store. Everything looks great, but the variants images section is not working. Go back to the Shopify backend and upload the images of the variants again and hit save. Reload the product page. And now it's working. We have successfully added our first product. Create your essential pages. There are some pages every e-commerce store should have. A contact us page, an about us page, shipping policy, return policy page, terms of service page, FAQ page. Create an about us page. Having a great about us page is one of the best ways to build trust with your customers. Plus, you can always go back and improve it later on. To make a simple about us page using Variation template, visit the link in the video description. Enter your store name and email address. You can choose the length of the About Us page from here. Edit the template as instructed. Once the copy of your About Us page is ready, follow the next steps. Click Online Store, Pages, then click Add Page. In the title box, type About Us. Then paste the copy you prepared into the description. Create and contact us page. Compared to the previous step, this one's a piece of cake. Under Pages, click Add Page. Then under Title, type in Contact Us. Then in the drop-down menu, under the Template section, choose Page.contact. You can leave it like this, but I prefer to add some explaining text. For example, I might write something like this. If you have a question about your order, need help with something, or even just want to drop us a note about how you like our services, fill out the form below. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. If you are in need of immediate assistance, please call us at blah blah blah. You want to touch on what they can talk to you about, how long a response could take, and an alternative way to contact you, like a phone number, if you have that option. If not, just the form is fine. Once you are happy with the page, hit save. Create an FAQ page. Go to Amazon.com and search for your product keyword. Find out the product that best matches with yours. Now scroll down and go to the FAQ section. Then copy the section and modify it. Once you are satisfied with the draft, go to Online Store, Pages, Add Page. Under Title, type FAQ and then paste it. When you are done, hit save. Create legal pages. Every online store needs some legal pages, and they are a refund policy page, a privacy policy page, a shipping policy page, and a terms of service page. Luckily, Shopify can generate each one for you based on your store settings. Simply go to Settings, Legal. Click the 3 Create from Template buttons under each section and hit Save. To create your shipping policy page, open a new tab and search for Shipping Policy Generator, EasyShip. I'm using EasyShip to create my shipping policy page. Just give some information to the website and it will create a shipping policy page for you. Just copy and paste it in the Shopify Legal Pages section and hit Save. That's it. You have successfully created all your legal pages. Add menus to your store. Once your pages are set up, you can move on to your navigation settings. At this stage, you are going to specify which pages would appear on your main menus. For example, I wanted customers to easily find my About Us and Contact Us page. Click Online Store. Navigation. Then click the main menu to edit your main navigation menu that goes on the top of your site. Then next to catalog, click edit and change the name from catalog to products. Then click cross next to all products. As we have one product store, we are going to link the product page. To do so, select products and choose the product you created. Lastly, click on apply changes. So if you want to add your About Us page to your menu, click add menu item, select pages, then click your About Us page. Repeat this step to add a contact us page to your menu before moving on to editing your footer. After adding all the pages and menus, hit save. This is the reason why you should set up all your products, collections and pages prior to editing your navigation. When you are done, it should look something like this. Return to your navigation settings and click the footer menu. Delete the search menu as we have only one product store. Add the terms of service, privacy policy, refund policy, shipping policy and FAQ page that you made earlier in this video. You can drag and order the menu as your preferences. Preview your site with the eyeball button. You should see the navigation links you added. Click each one to make sure it's going to the right place. Import Aliexpress reviews. Looks Reviews is an actual product review app and it gives you a 14-day trial as a standard. But if you use the link that I give, you'll get a 30-day free trial. To install this app, come to the left side menu and click Apps. Then on this page, click the Shop for Apps button. Come to the search bar and type in Looks Photo Reviews and do a search for that. Then click the Add Up button. Then Install App button. It will take a few moments to install it. Once you have installed the Looks Photo Reviews, go to Settings. Display Reviews, then scroll down and click on Appearance. Change the stars color to gold color. Has FFD700. Under the star rating section, copy the code. Then duplicate the tab and go to Online Store. Theme, Actions, and then click on Edit Code. Search for product.liquid and paste this under /div. Once you have pasted it, click on Save. Go back to Looks Photo Reviews dashboard, then import reviews. Grab this and drag it into your bookmark. Then go to Aliexpress product page. Then hit Import to Looks, select the relevant product page. Select the rating 4 stars and up. Select only reviews with photos and then click on Preview and Import. It will show you the real reviews from Aliexpress. Import the reviews that are written in good English and high quality pictures. You can see all those reviews for that product in the product pages. Customize your store design. Click Online Store. Customize. On the left navigation bar is a list of all the segments that are enabled in the theme by default. If you want to disable any of those add-ons, in my case, I want to disable Instagram feed. Just click on it and go to theme settings in the left navigation bar and uncheck the Instagram feed. You can see that the section has been hidden. Make sure to hit the save button. You can disable any add-ons like this. Now let's edit the drawer menu. Before editing it, make sure you change your side view to mobile. Then go to the drawer menu and tick show email address, phone number and social media. Remove the footer menu. When you are done, hit save. Now we are gonna edit the announcement section. Just click on the announcement, click on message and modify it if you want. I'm just going to keep free shipping with truck emoji here. Now again back to the announcement tab and untick show social medias, email address and phone number. Delete the left and right message. Don't forget to save changes. Now we are gonna upload slideshow pictures. However, all the photos on Bust are free. If you want, you can use them on your homepage without giving any credit to anyone. And it is completely legal and it makes your homepage look great. In my case, I'm gonna save some high quality pictures from YouTube videos and then upload them. To upload them, go back and click on Add section. Clicking on that will open an extensive menu of items you can choose from. Scroll down and select slideshow. Click on Add slide and upload the same image separately for desktop and mobile. Adjust the image position. Type the text. Replace the Shop Now button link with the product page link. Remove the Learn More button. That's it. You have successfully added your first slide. Repeat this step for more slides. When you are done, don't forget to save changes. Have you noticed one thing? Our logo has been replaced with the default logo. To upload our logo on the home page, go back to the header, scroll down and upload a logo in the inverted section that has the opposite text color. You can see the logo has been updated. When you are satisfied, hit save. Now we are gonna feature our product on the home page. To do so, go to the home page and click the add section. Scroll down and select the featured product. Select your product you want to feature in your home page. Scroll down and untick Show Product Type, Show Product Tags, Show Product Collections. Click on Show Quantity Picker. Now click on the theme settings situated at the left corner in the bottom. Untick the wish list. Scroll down and select Looks. Select Cart icon to cart. Select the delivery time minimum 7 days and maximum 21 days. Click on Show as Date. Delete the days suffix. When you are done, hit save. Now we are gonna add an image with text to make our homepage look more professional. Just go to the home page and add a section. Select image with text. Select the image you want to feature. Select the image alignment according to your preferences. Edit the heading and text. If you want to add a buy button, edit button label. Link to your product page to the button link. If you want to add more, repeat the process. Once you are done, hit save. You can also customize more general theme settings, including the layout of your site, colors, typography, favicon, social media, and checkout page. Play around with different options and see what works best for you. Design your homepage with the assumption that many of your visitors will be browsing it on their mobile devices. Click colors and change your buttons color, buy buttons color, links and accents, sale tag, announcement to your brand color. For buttons and text, change to a suitable color that contrasts well with your brand color. Now we are gonna edit our guarantee section, but before we start, let's download some icons from Flaticon. In the search bar, search for shipping. Choose an icon you like. Click on PNG and free download it. In the same way, download icons for returns and guarantee. Once you finish downloading, go to the guarantee section, click on Our Guarantee under the content section. Upload the shipping icon. And edit the heading to Super Fast Delivery. Delete the Share Our Guarantee text. Similarly, add easy 30-day returns and lifetime guarantee with icon. Once you are done, don't forget to click on Save. You can see it's looking very professional. Now we are gonna edit the footer section. Click on About Us under Content. Upload your white transparent logo here. Increase the logo width to 230 pixels. Delete the heading. Edit the text and give a little information about your store. Untick show email address and show phone number. Now let's edit the footer newsletter. Edit the heading to Unlock 10% off. Edit the subheading to Get 10% off on your next purchase when you join the team. Untick the Powered by Shopify and the Theme by Debutify. Once you are done, click on Theme Setting. If you have a Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram page, then copy the page URL and paste it here. Scroll down and uncheck the Show Name field. When you are satisfied, hit Save. Add a store favicon. A favicon is a little icon image that pops up on a website's browser tab. To complete this step, make sure your favicon is with a transparent background. Let's head back into our theme settings and upload our favicon. When you are done, click the Save button. On this website, the little fairy doll icon is our favicon. Add branding to your store checkout. To complete this step, you will need two things: a brand logo and a custom brand color for your store. Your brand color should reflect the types of items you are selling in your store. So for this fairy doll store that we are building in this example, the primary brand color's hex code is 2A0B45 because it matches with the fairy doll color. On your dashboard, click Online Store. Then on the theme page, click Customize. To see the live changes while you edit, add an item in your cart and select cart on top of your page. We are offering free shipping at our store, but it's showing you are $50 away from free shipping. That means we need to set the cart goal to 0. To do so, scroll down and go to the theme settings. Look for cart goal add-ons and click on it. Change the cart goal to 0. You can see that now it's showing eligible for free shipping. Once you are on the checkout page, go back to theme settings. Scroll down and go to the bottom and select checkout. Upload your logo on the checkout page. Adjust the logo size according to your preferences. Position the logo to center. Next, scroll down to colors and under buttons, select the brand color you have chosen. Now go to the background color under the order summary section and change it to your brand color. It's a good idea to add your logo to your checkout page to give it a branded feel. Switch to mobile view to see how your checkout page is gonna look. You can see the order summary is by clicking here. Once you are happy with the look, remember to click on the save icon. Now let's go back to the home page. In this part, we are gonna remove and update some add-ons. You can see a recently viewed section here. As we have one product store, we don't need this add-on. To deactivate this add-on, simply scroll down and go to the theme settings. Simply click on Debutify add-ons. Scroll down and look for recently viewed. Once you find it, untick it. Visit the product page and you will get an option called "This item" under the reviews. This is called upsell bundles. We also don't need this, so untick upsell bundles too. Don't forget to save changes every time you make an update. Now let's update the newsletter pop-up which is here. To update it, go back to theme settings and select the newsletter pop-up. Update the text to get 10% off. Scroll down and edit the title and text. After that, come down to the discount code. Edit the discount code name and percentage. Once you are done, hit save. Copy the discount name and then click create a discount code. Paste the discount name here. Choose percentage and enter a value 10%. Set the limit to 1 use per customer. You can see the summary of the discount code here. Once you are satisfied, hit save. That's it. You have successfully updated the newsletter and created a discount code. Let's visit the store and see how it works. Enter any random email at the newsletter and you will get the discount code. The customers will use this code to get the discount. Add Facebook Messenger LiveChat. Before completing this step, make sure you already have an active Facebook page. Come back to the Shopify homepage and go to Theme Settings. Click on Debutify add-ons and look for Facebook Messenger and tick it. Now open a new tab and visit your Facebook page that you want to connect with the store. Go to Settings, then Messaging. Click on Get Started next to Add Messenger to your website. Select Chat plugin and add your store domain here. After that, click on the Custom Your Chat plugin. Set the custom color to your brand color. Turn off the automatically expand option. Once you are done, click on Setup. Follow the process and copy the code and finish it. Don't forget to click on Publish. Now go back to the theme settings and choose Facebook Messenger. Now go back to your Shopify store and paste the code. Once you paste the code, save it. Go back to Facebook page, Chat plugin. And make some frequently asked questions. Once you are done, hit Publish. To see a live preview, open an incognito tab and paste your store URL. select the questions and it will automatically reply to that question. Your customers also can chat with you from here. Add a custom domain. A custom domain is a fully branded URL that replaces the default URL that was created based on the store name you chose at setup. And while it's technically possible to run your store without a custom URL, having your own domain name will help your store appear much more professional and appealing. A legitimate business has its own web domain, and that is what builds trust in the hearts and minds of your customers and suppliers. You can buy your domain directly through Shopify in a matter of seconds. Or you can transfer your domain from another register and connect it to your store. Fortunately, adding a domain is easy with Shopify. To register your domain name with Shopify instead of a third party, here's how. From your Shopify's admin, go to Online Store, Domains. Click Buy New Domain. Enter the domain name you want to buy. Available extensions and their prices will be listed. Before completing this step, make sure you use a .com domain always. Do not pick another universal domain name. Click Buy next to the .com domain. Click on Add Payment Method. Enter your card details and click on Add Credit Card. And you are done. You now have your domain name. Make sure you go to your domain settings and choose the domain you purchased to be your default URL. Choose a paid plan. However, you won't be able to sell products or services until you choose a paid monthly plan. Click Settings, then click Plan and Permission. Click Compare Plans. You will see three options: Basic Shopify, Shopify, and Advanced Shopify. I recommend starting with the Basic Shopify plan unless you know you are going to have over $20,000 per month in sales. Until $20,000 per month, you are generally losing money on the regular Shopify plan if you are exclusively using Shopify payments. Lastly, just fill in all of your payment details and click Start Plan. Send your store live. You are almost done. All that's left is removing the password from your store. Go to Preferences under Online Store. Click Disable Password. Then untick the Enable Password box. Then finish off by clicking Save. Wait, as you watch this video till the end, I want to share with you simple but very professional tips. I'm gonna show you how you can create a FAQ page like this to make your website look more professional. Under Online Store, click Pages, then FAQ. Delete the page description. Choose Page.faq under Template section. Once you are done, hit Save. Now go to Theme Settings, then click on Customize. Select the FAQ page from this drop-down. Click on the FAQ add-ons. Then click Add a Content and select Category. Edit the category heading to Product and icon Help. Then add your frequently asked questions and answers here. Make a new category named Order Query and icon Store. And add questions and answers that are related to order, shipping, refund. Once you are done, select your Contact Us page as a button link so that anyone who clicks on Get in Touch button will be redirected to the Contact Us page. When you are satisfied, hit Save. Now the FAQ page looks a lot more professional than it did before. If you followed along and published your store, congratulations! You now have a nearly professional working website for your Shopify dropshipping business. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you want exclusive techniques of growing your income and business that I only share with subscribers, head over to Invest Time Grow Online YouTube channel and subscribe for the latest videos. It's free. Now I wanna turn it over to you. Do you find it a complete step-by-step tutorial? Are you gonna say yes? Or do you wanna say no? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now.